Hi guys, this is Roxana here, and I'm going to plan on my wellness planner for this week. So if you wanna see how it goes, continue watching. Okay, now we're going to plan the week of July 19th to the 25th. So we're gonna take the pages out and okay, like this. And I wanted to make it a fun spread. So I decided I was going to use it's kind of mix of the Sassy Plans and Adulting book. I love this one. It's an accessory pack. It's called Quotes, and this one cracks me up. Um, of course, I talk to myself. I sometimes I need expert advice. Well, it's kind of my language and Supermom, and I already have them picked up. I picked out the stickers I'm gonna use. So we're going to begin with Monday. That Sunday should come with a pause button. I like that one because I think sometimes it should, and since we're having a 3-day weekend, it should come with a pause button. We I don't know, like getting back back to work and back to everything. It's kind of stressful sometimes. And my mom game's strong, so I'm gonna put this here, but there. And I'm gonna use the whiteout for these. Okay. Oh, I forgot this part. I don't care. No, it's not that. It doesn't look that weird. Um, this one I loved. I just want to spend the rest of my life laughing. I think it's an awesome quote, so I'm gonna put it here. Okay. And then weekend plans, just moving off so people know I'm alive. Maybe it's a good one since it's the last few days of winter break for the kids, and we might I don't know if we're going to be doing something, but probably this will be the plan for those days. I do think I will be doing my mom game, but using I'm gonna I think I'm going to do something fun on Tuesday. I already have something for that. I think that day that we're probably gonna do with my tribe, which are my kids, and I'm gonna place it here, there. And on Wednesday, I'm going to do some me time here. Place it a little bit further down here. Okay. And I like these eyelashes. Like, they're so pretty. I also have this habit tracker, And don't worry if plan A fails. There are 25 other letters in the alphabet. I think it's something we all should consider at some point in our lives. So I'm going to put this one on top, on here. Like I want them both to fit, so there. And then this one. Ooh, hold on. Okay, I'll need to cut a piece of it out. Oh. Oh, but I only need to track one thing. So there's something else I'm going to do. I'm gonna cut it out so I still have a tracker. A nice one, because I like the colors of these ones. They are really pretty. Here. So I have another habit tracker for something else, and I can write something here, place a sticker, do something, and write the what I'm tracking here. So I'm gonna leave that there. And ooh, this has been fast. I like how it looks. Maybe I should move this a little bit farther down now that I don't have both of them. Like here. Ooh. Yes. I have this here. I usually use this one, my tweezer, to make the stickers look better when they are kind of getting like stuck within. I don't know. Okay, I hope you liked the video. If you did, please hit the like button. And if you want to, you can subscribe to my channel. You can visit all of my other social media, which is on the description box. They are my Instagram, my Facebook, my Pinterest, my other videos you can watch. I have, this one is a classic planner, and I have a big one. I use a skinny. I don't have a video for a skinny, but I use it for my to go. I don't usually decorate that one because I have like huge lettering. Like my letters are huge, so they take up a lot of space. But sometimes I do decorate it. And well, that's all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.